Hi guys, what's up? It's Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, ew. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day, super realistic, on the go. But I'm just kind of showing ways that like I'm still staying healthy, even if I'm, have to eat out, or if I'm just lazy and don't want to cook. I still find ways to try and be as healthy as possible. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what I eat. Yeah, that's kind of about it. This intro is awful. I'm really sorry, but I don't really know what to say because I'm just showing you what I eat in a day that is realistic but still healthy. Snack time. I already ate one. There was 4. It's like half an apple. Okay, so I already mixed it up, so it looks bad because I forgot. But I went to this place called Freshie. Got a bowl for lunch. It's chicken, brown rice, carrots, broccoli, edamame, cucumber, these crispy wonton things, and sesame seeds, and it's super good. And I got hot sauce on the side. Okay, so sorry I didn't talk much about like lunch. I was at work, so I didn't want to like talk a lot in the break room, but I didn't like want to eat out today. They just asked me to stay late than like what my shift was, so I didn't think I was gonna have to eat at work. But that's just one of the things that like I wanted to do with this video, to show you guys how I still maintain healthy even if things come up. So I went to this place called Freshie. It's a place in Toronto. I don't know if it's anywhere else, I really don't know. And I got a bowl, super nutritious, super filling. I was so full the whole day. Like I didn't even want to eat dinner. I ate dinner super late, which I try not to do, but like whatever, it happened. But yeah, that's what I did for lunch. Okay, so for dinner I'm making pizza. I have this multi-grain pizza crust from Loblaws. It's just like a thin multi-grain crust. So, oh yeah, and these are the toppings, just cheese and sauce. Not the healthiest, but like, whatever. This is my dinner. I'm probably gonna add some buffalo sauce to it, but nice and simple, healthier because of the crust. And see, like I use barely any cheese, but look how it melts and spreads out. So like you don't need to add a lot of cheese to make a cheesy pizza because it just melts and looks like a lot. So that's a tip, to consume less calories, because cheese has a lot of calories, but I love it and will never stop eating just because it's Oscars. Okay, so yes, I'm filming all of these talking bits in one standing. I don't know what to call it. But that was it for today's video. That's what I eat in a day. I don't eat those exact meals every day, obviously. I mean, I feel like everybody says that, but it's true. That's just kind of like a gist of what I do. I definitely get lazy at night and like don't want to cook and don't want to eat healthy, but I still find ways to make things healthy, like the pizza. I use like a multigrain thin crust and just like not very much cheese, even though it's still high calorie. And I don't know. I know. I don't know. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.